welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another Kmart video with a whole lot of things that I've had for quite a while. I am here with the dogs again, so if you hear any random weird little footprints or whatever, footprints? You don't hear footprints, you know what I mean. If there's weird noises, it's the dogs, as always. I also still have my cough. It is now I can't remember what the doctor called it, but it's basically just a lingering cough. It will not go away. It's driving me insane. So I'm gonna try and make it through this video without having a coughing fit, but we'll see how we go. Fingers crossed. No. Out of the things. Out of the things. No. Come on, guys. Alrighty, like I said, I've had some of these pieces for a really long time, some of them are new, so I'm just going to show you absolutely everything and then we can just be back to like a clean slate and I won't have any more Kmart things in that room. I do still have other things in that room, so I'm also going to film like a collective haul of things from other places, so please subscribe if you would like to see that, and leave likes and comments and all sorts of things. It really does help me out a lot. And with that, let's jump into the Kmart stuff. This one first. I'm not sure if I've shown you guys this already. I feel like I may have. I have had it for such a long time, it's ridiculous. So if I have already shown it to you guys, I will 100% be like throwing myself under the bus here. But it is the, what is it? The large oak look picture rail. There we go. It's just a little shelf with a lip so you can put stuff on it. It's not that difficult to explain, but this is going to go into my room that is directly behind this wall. That is my plan anyway, just been living in the box for months and months and months, so I don't know when it's actually gonna go on a wall, but eventually we will get there. Oh my God. Wow, okay. Another one that I have been way too preoccupied to actually put together is the laundry hamper cabinet. This is so heavy. But it's this one that has like the pull out drawers. Oh my God. Okay, it's squishing me. This is incredibly heavy. It's really not that bad. Well, on here it says it's between 17 and 35 kilos and you need 2 people to lift it. But anyway, it's heavy for me because I'm a weakling. But I have this hamper because the one that we have that you guys saw me do up the lid of ages ago it's too small. Like we need something a bit bigger, and this has got 2 compartments in it, so I'm hoping that that will be better. They have since come out with a different one that is kind of nicer looking. This one's just plain white, so I do find that the one we already have just looks a bit tacky because it's this kind of white stuff. I'll put a picture up of the new one they have, but it is over double the price, so not about that for a laundry hamper. So this will do just fine. Something that Evan's mum managed to grab for me is the sushi making kit. This is quite handy. I haven't quite gotten the hang of it yet. It's got a bit of a learning curve, or I'm just an idiot. But it comes with like a bamboo roller and the plastic thing that shapes it for you, and it's got the steps on the back here and it rolls your sushi for you. Basically there's not really much else to say about that one, but it is cool and it has slightly made my sushi making a little bit better. I just need to get the hang of it. Okay, some small bathroom things. I grabbed a new hairbrush to help like blow dry my hair. It's kind of jankily in the container because I've taken it out and used it. It's the argan infused round hairbrush. I grabbed it because it was the only round one there that I could use for blow drying. Not that I'm very good at that, but I got a brush, so I've used it like twice. I'm just really not good at hair. I'm really not very good at hair. As you can tell, I have once again just let it air dry and it's turned into this. But it is a very nice like feeling brush. The handle's nice, it feels like good quality. I don't know, it's a hairbrush, so there's not much else to say about that. Very simple ones. I grabbed some more exfoliating gloves. I had run out. These are always handy to just have in the bathroom cabinet if you need to exfoliate. That's it. And I also grabbed another like loofah thing. What do they actually call these? Cleansing puff. That's a magnificent name. I grabbed another cleansing puff. These ones are $1, so I replace them quite a lot because of all the horror stories I've heard about how much bacteria these things hold, but they are handy to have in the shower. So I grabbed another one to replace the one that we have in the shower currently. So cleansing puff. On one particular day when I was out shopping, I had really dry hands, so I grabbed this hand cream. It's just a coconut oil and shea butter one. So I grabbed that, and then it has been hiding in the bottom of a bag. Frosty's little head. It's been hiding in the bottom of a bag, and I forgot about it since then. So I'm kind of glad that I'm filming this because I'm refinding a few things that I'd totally forgotten that I had. So a little coconut hand cream to chuck in my handbag because I have been out of hand cream for a long time. It feels alright. It's hand creamy. What do you think? No lick. Dog approved, me approved. Doesn't smell super coconutty, but it's decent. It was cheap. So, hand cream. As soon as I saw this one on their Instagram, I was immediately curious. So this is their 2-tier round turntable, so it's a Lazy Susan. They have it in the bathroom section along with like their brush storage and different things that they came out with at the same time as this. But I was very curious by this one, and I'm intrigued to see how it goes, whether it's actually sturdy or not. I'm guessing it's going to be roughly this size because that's what the box is. But I am intrigued, and I do love a good Lazy Susan. So I will update you how I'm looking at that. I need to be looking up there. Sorry. I will update you guys on how this one goes. One impulse buy that I made were some stick-on Halloween nails. I don't know if I'm actually going to use these, but they're just the little ones with little spider webs on them. And I picked them up just in case I want to put on some cute nails for Halloween. So yeah. One thing that is incredibly sweet that Evan actually found for me is a 12-volt heated portable travel blanket. So I am always incredibly cold, like incredibly cold, to the point where I continuously tell Evan that I need to put a blanket in his car permanently because he runs hot, so he has the aircon going, etc. You know the drill. So he found this that he can plug into the car that is a heated blanket for me, which will be amazing when we're camping, but also will be really cool just to have in his car because I get so cold. But I thought that was a very sweet and thoughtful thing that he found for me, and I'm excited that we now have it. What are you two doing? Excuse me. Are you gonna show the people? They have a disgustingly dirty cupcake, which I think is from Kmart. So Kai's little Kmart haul, his cupcake. I have also had these jeans for quite a while. I have worn them a couple of times. They're the straight extra high-rise jeans. They have been washed, so they're a little bit wrinkly because I've had them in a pile waiting to film this haul after I wore them. But I will get a picture from the website up because it really doesn't do them much justice just showing them. But yeah, just a light denim pair of jeans. So that's that. I do struggle a bit to wear them because I've been wearing like fake jeans for so long and they are so comfortable. So real jeans are really not it. They're just really, really not comfortable. I was looking at the laptop again. Sorry. But yeah, real jeans just not that comfortable compared to like fake like jeggings. Yeah, but they're nice. I also grabbed a big calendar. So this is an 18-month calendar that goes from July to December 2023. I believe that it was probably pretty close to July when I bought this thing. But I just thought it was really sweet with the little rainbows, and the colours are quite nice. On the back it's got like the colours of the pages. It's just a 2023-2024 2022, 2023 family calendar. It's got the months down the bottom here, and it's just the days like this, which I think is quite a handy layout. So I can actually start using this now that I have unpackaged, not unboxed, unpackaged it and shown you guys. So I can actually hang it on the wall now, and we can start using that to remind ourselves of things that we have coming up. So yeah, cute calendar. It's just nice. It's aesthetic, and I dropped it on the dog. Amazing. Sorry. Oh dear. Anyway, cute calendar. Sorry, buddy. Okay, the last few things that I've got are a bit of a DIY that I'm planning, but it is probably not going to happen for a while. I grabbed 2 of these. This side's probably nicer to show you. These are the large hanging wool planters. They used to have these, but they were slightly smaller, which was the one I was originally going to get, but I took too long to buy it. So now this is what they have. But it's basically just a hanging pot. So it looks like this. Let me take it out for you. Comes all nice and bubble wrapped, but it is just a planter, semicircle shape. It looks like that. So you may or may not have seen the DIY that I'm planning on doing already on Instagram and things, but I also bought, so I got 2, that's the second. And then I found these in the camping section. Camping section? That came out funny. Anyway, these are LED pods with remotes. So my plan is to put a pod inside this, have it upside down, and it's going to be a wall light that I'm going to put in our bedroom. I've got 2, so I can have one on each side of our bed, and that is my plan for these. I don't know if I want to keep them white or if I want to paint them. I have no idea, but it will all depend on what we do to our bedroom. So I have a vision in my head, but it's going to take some time because I want to like redo the whole wall, and we want to get a new bed and the whole thing. So these I have only just bought, but they are probably going to sit for quite a while before I actually do anything with them. So that will be coming soon. So again, hit subscribe if you would like to see that video in the future. Okay, well we are quickly running out of light, so I have finished at a perfect time. That is everything that I have sitting in that room that I've been collecting from Kmart for probably like at least 6 months at this point, and I've just forgotten to add bits and pieces to other hauls that I have filmed. But that's all I've got for you so far. Now I can start fresh and visit Kmart again and start building up a new pile of things to show you guys. As I said earlier, keep an eye out for my collective haul that I'm going to put out next week, and then I've got some Christmas stuff coming. I visited Kmart and saw all of their Christmas things, so that's a video that I've got in the works as well. But that is it for today. So I hope you have enjoyed watching my little collection. Kai just went crazy. And we will see you next week. Bye guys. What are you doing? You cuties. Oh goodness. Oh, you've got the cupcake again. My feet are asleep and I can't escape them. Yeah.